Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. Yes guys, please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Here I have some carrots and beetroot wash. Okay, just rub the carrot them off guys. If you want to get them really clean, it's up to you, but after a while you wash carrot, they're gonna get back dark, but just make sure you wash them really good. However, all right, I have some water over here and we're gonna cut these bad boy up. I'm doing carrot and beetroot, as I said. Just cut it anyhow you want guys, because we're gonna semi-cook it and then we're gonna blend everything. We're not waste anything, so you don't have to really cook it long. 7 to 10 minutes. We're just gonna put it over here. And guys, this is the best way to do these carrots because they might get old. My husband said they might grow. Don't throw them out. Alright guys, so basically you just cut them like that and just put them over. I'm using quite a few carrots. I'm using all that I have, so you can use whatever you have at home. And then I have 2 beets. I'm gonna also semi-cook it. So I'm gonna use the water and everything. All right. You can eat beets raw. You can make the carrot juice as is, alright guys? But I'm not gonna waste it today. I'm gonna put milk and stuff in this one. Alright, so that's it. Alright guys, basically I put about 2 more carrots and 1 more beets because I don't want them to spoil, you know? So we have about half pot or something going on here. 5 more minutes guys, then kind of still tough. So 5 more minutes, total 10 minutes. And then we're gonna turn the stove off and let it cool, and then we're gonna blend. Yeah. All right, you can add whatever you want to this one. All right guys, I'll come back. All right guys, after 10 minutes, stove off. So this is how it's looking now. The beets gonna boil out in the water and the water gonna become red and all of that. So just gonna let it cool and we're gonna blend everything, water, juice and all. Beets, carrot, everything. All right my peeps, we're back, and remember you're gonna blend juicy carrot. Them still tough, but you don't want them too tough. All right, you're gonna blend everything, beetroot, carrot juice. It smells so good guys. It smells so good. You want to get some of the juice, and if it needs more juice, just add some water then. Add some water too. Alright, don't blend too much one time, alright? I'm just gonna add a little bit of water so we can blend it up. Something like that. Just gonna put it on the smoothie. Alright guys, so let's see how it's looking. Oopsie. Alright guys, so you see how creamy and smooth it is. Let me just show you. You see, you don't need to throw away anything. All right, oh, it smells so good. I'll pour it here. See how rich. With the rest of it now, guys, we're gonna blend everything, and I'm gonna add my sea moss. We're gonna add some water as well, and then I have, this is about 1/3 cup to, no, it don't reach half cup of sea moss. All right, guys, that's it. Finish. And sometimes, if you find out that you blend it and you want a little bit more blend, you give it a little bit more, you know, blend. But that's okay. Now we're gonna pour it. So remember sea moss in this one, guys. My husband said to put sea moss in it. New recipe. Alright, my husband, I'm gonna sweeten it now. My husband said put some, guys, with this one you can sweeten it with some almond milk or brown sugar, whatever you want. Sweeten it to your liking. My husband wants some condensed milk in this one, so let's go. First we're gonna put some mixed essence, just a touch. Smells so good. We're gonna put some nutmeg, like 1/2 teaspoon for this one. Oh, that flavor. A little bit of cinnamon, 1/4 to 1/2. About 1/4 teaspoon, not too much of that one. And where's my vanilla? I need my vanilla, guys. Can't do without the vanilla. And 2 teaspoons vanilla. And then we're gonna put, I'm gonna put about 3/4 can of this condensed milk. And you can put some sugar, brown sugar if you want. And you see this, guys, this is what we're talking about. We want it thick and nice. We're gonna put some ice to serve it up. So thick and rich, listen, we don't want it watered on it. With this one you can put a ensure in there, nutriment. All right, if you want. My husband, you don't want anything else in there? My husband said nothing else, just in his tummy. You see how creamy and rich? So put to your liking, guys. Sweeten it to your flavor and to your taste bud, alright? If you want more brown sugar, put more brown sugar. Granulated sugar, no sugar. You want to do it the healthy way, vegan way, you put soy. Alright, so this is how it's looking. We're going to serve it over some ice. And you can put more milk if you want. Some ice. Oopsie. All right. Let's pour into the back one first. My beetroot carrot punch with some sea moss. All right, sweeten it anyhow you like. All right, this is my husband drink, so I hope he likes it. All right, Besson, you want to taste it? I'm gonna bring it, make you taste it. All right, guys, love upon me and love upon you. All right, guys, I'm gonna taste this for you. Oh my gosh, you just want cool. You might take a little bit more sugar, but I don't want that much. Bye, guys.